Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to get Halloween Instagram notes. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First things first, you want to make sure you have the latest version of Instagram installed. Just head to your app store, search for Instagram and hit update if you see it. This is really important because sometimes Instagram updates features with the latest versions, and you don't want to miss out. Now let's get to the fun part, creating a Halloween-themed note. Go to your Instagram and make sure you are logged in. After that, do to DMs. Here, right at the top, you should see a space to add a new note. To make your note Halloween-themed, just include one of these magic words: pumpkin, witch, or ghost. Instagram will automatically give your note a spooky vibe with a Halloween look. So type in something like "Get ready for Halloween" or "Spooky season is here." Whatever you like, as long as one of those keywords is in there, and that's it. If you didn't get that Halloween theme, that means it is not available in your region. So wait for it until Instagram add it into your region. And that's it. Now you know how to give your Instagram notes a spooky Halloween look. So that's basically how you can get Halloween Instagram notes. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.